Okay, so I managed to get the schematics off the internet. There's the input, there's the part list, and I managed to find the genuine Fender part, which is that one there. I can't read that, sorry. 9901 is that? Let me get my glasses off. 099091200. Yep. So theoretically, this is a 4-pin thing. It does look like it comes with a with the mounting thing. So let's just basically offer it up to size, and then I'll get my soldering iron out and put it in. And I haven't found any particular reason why this volume goes crazy. The only thing I did notice on one of the schematic drawings somewhere, oh sorry, it goes upside down. There's the jack coming in there, so it shows that the tip and another bit is all connected to the same wire. Now when the front bit was missing, maybe that wasn't making the connection it wanted. Who knows? We'll find out. Let me just pause, offer it up, and then we'll see how we solder it in. Okay, I must have got it off clean because it goes in well. So what I'll do is I'll put a bit of blue tack on that, or lean it against there. I'll get my soldering iron on, I'll solder it up, and then we'll check it out. Hang on. Okay, I forgot I had these little mini clamps, so I just clamp it on there and put that one at the front in, and then maybe the one on the side, and then I'll unclamp it, and it should be good. Okay, that only took a few minutes, seconds in be fair. I did the trick where you heat the other side, and then you offer to solder this side, and because it's a pretty shitty solder I've got, you know, like a lead, I don't know, it's not a very good solder, but it's good, but it's bad, if you see what I mean. Don't sniff it. It's gone in okay. Get it out of there, sorry. That looks all right. I think, the plastic's touching. Let's work out how to power this back in and power it back in. The service manual tells you the colours and stuff, but I'll probably go back to the video I made earlier. Okay, so we wired it in, put the 3 screws there, the silver screws. I had a bit of a problem with these at first, the nuts, and it turns out they just hadn't quite pushed through enough, the jacks, but they're okay now. And I think on reflection, I probably should have put the screws of that in first, and I put them in last year, and that would have probably done it better. But now I've got to wire in the speaker, and I've got to look back at my other video, which line did I put where, and stick this back in its cabinets. Let me get on with that. I won't test it without putting a loader on it, because tube amps particularly don't forgive you for that, but I think even these ones, solid states, get annoyed if you don't give them a load. So let me give that a go. Okay, so as before, the red is on the left and the yellow's on the right, so that looks good. So now it's time to plug it in and see whether I get a good connection and decent sound out of it. Okay, it's definitely working, so we've got a bit of gain. We've got a decent gain on it, and it's a good jack, so the jack's working fine. Put it on a clean channel. Still loud as per usual, but anyway. That works. I'm happy with that. It's fixed. Part was £10 in the UK. It's probably cheaper elsewhere. It's really tight now. It's still loud. I'm on what, volume 2 this, a 25 watt amp, and this is super loud here. So now I've got the schematic. I'll try and see if I can work out what's wrong with it, but other than that, it's all worked out nicely. So thank you for watching, and good luck with any of your own mods and fixes.